all the reservations got cancelled within a span of like 48 hours. ऐसा कोई single review नहीं होगा जिसमें किसी ने ये बोला कि we faced any difficulty, we faced any trouble.
आप टीचिंग में थी
जी,
तो ये लोकल कॉटेज खोलने का ख्वाब कहाँ से आया?
it's all a DIY project. कोई आर्किटेक्ट नहीं है उसमें, किसी को नहीं बुलाया गया. Whatever we did with that
You did it on your own.
yeah.
आपने 3 साल पहले शुरू किया
जी, जी,
और इन 3
बिल्कुल.
सालों में भी हमने बहुत कुछ देखा.
जी बिल्कुल.
Were you hit?
Yes.
खुशामदीद लवली पीपल्स, आप देख रहे हैं शी मीन्स बिजनेस और मैं हूं उमायमा ऋषि. नाजरीन, आज की जो हमारी मेहमान है, आज की जो हमारी वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर है, उन्होंने मेहमान नवाजी को अपनी पहचान और बिजनेस दोनों बना दिया है. आज हमारे साथ जुड़ी हुई है द लोकल कॉटेज की सबाहत जी. सबाहत जी, वारे असल पट खुश पट दर पट.
बिल्कुल ठीक. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. कैसे हैं आप?
Really a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you so much, Sabhat ji, आप आए. I want to know, starting this episode, first of all, tell me something about yourself and your education.
As you have already said my name, so मेरा नाम सबाहत है and I am basically from अनंतनाग.
अनंतनाग.
So
Wow.
जी, मैं अनंतनाग में पली बड़ी हूँ. मेरी एजुकेशन अनंतनाग से है and I got married here in Srinagar. So
Okay.
now I am living here only.
Okay, lovely. So आपने तालीम अनंतनाग से ही हासिल की?
जी बिल्कुल. मेरी इनिशियली एजुकेशन जो हुई है वो IMI अनंतनाग से हुई है. देन कॉलेज अनंतनाग से हुआ एंड देन आई डिड माय लॉ फ्रॉम यूनिवर्सिटी, कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी.
You have done your
Yeah.
degree in law?
I am a law graduate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why so? Why did you go for law?
I wanted to be a lawyer since
खुद था, अपना पैशन था.
my childhood. Yeah.
अच्छा, ठीक.
So I continued it for a little time, not little time, I can say 2 years. I practiced in Anantnag court only. So बीच में इधर उधर exams, competitive exams and all. So then I got married.
अच्छा, ठीक.
So फिर एक
छोड़ दिया.
हाँ, career break
Okay.
लग गया बीच में.
अच्छा.
So then it was like for some time I stayed home. एंड फिर उस बीच में मैंने साइमल्टेनियसली अपना बीएड किया, पीजी किया एंड वंस दिस ब्रेक वाज ओवर, मेरी डिग्रीज वगैरह आ गई एंड देन आई जॉइंड अ स्कूल.
अच्छा.
So
you became the teacher then?
Yeah, I became a teacher because by that time I had my kids also. So I wanted
But
to
कुछ करना था, idle नहीं बैठना था.
घर पे नहीं बैठना था because मेरे in-laws में भी माशाल्लाह they are all very settled. So मेरे in-laws जो है,
तो अभी बैठ नहीं पाई.
हाँ, mother-in-law, मेरे father-in-law, they both have doctorates.
Oh, lovely.
So my husband and everybody in the family is working. So also I didn't want to stay home. मेरे parental side से भी सब working है. मेरी mother, father, मेरे सब लोग ही education department में थे.
Okay.
And because I also as a mother, maybe I also wanted to be after my kids, be around them. So I joined the same school where I admitted them.
अच्छा, ठीक. Okay.
So that's how it started. So I worked there for like 6 years in a CBSE school. Last year I took a break for a year and now I have again joined a school.
Okay, as a teacher.
So, yeah, now I'm again a teacher.
So how is it going?
It's going good, mashallah. Very good.
Okay, so you have been into teaching for 6 years now.
Yeah, it's my it's my 10th year now.
That's lovely. I want to know as a teacher only because अब बात हो ही रही है, इससे पहले कि हम business की बात करें, मैं जानना चाहूँगी as a teacher, where do you think is our education system today? Where does it stand?
See, Mama, as a teacher, I feel it's very challenging. If we compare ourselves to the system that's going on right now, it's very challenging. बच्चों का focus is, I can't say slightly. काफी हद तक उनका focus जो है, it has shifted to phones and these things only. Screen time and all, उसकी वजह से there is a lot of change. Like if I compare myself with my kids, So I don't think they will be able to sit उनके लिए idle बैठना is a big challenge. Whereas we used to love it.
Yeah.
We used to love it completely. हम टाइम ढूंढते थे कि हमें कब कुछ ना करने को मिले और हम बैठें और सोचें.
Okay.
But then आज के बच्चे, it's very challenging to keep an eye on them.
Yes.
And then keep them engaged with this or that without the phone, I mean.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I find as a teacher and as well as a parent.
Mm-hmm. And
It's
we see
very
we get new challenges with different generations as well.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm. So moving ahead, ये तो आप टीचिंग में थी
जी.
तो ये लोकल कॉटेज खोलने का ख्वाब कहाँ से आया?
जी बिल्कुल. I would like to say something about that too. Whenever we used to go for outings, we would always be like, यहाँ अपना कुछ होना चाहिए था.
अच्छा ठीक.
So पहाड़ों में अपना कुछ होना चाहिए
वो
था.
तो है, वो तो है.
So it's like everybody's. ये तो बहुत common है.
सबका
Whenever
ही
we go
होता
for
है.
picnics and outings, we are like, हाँ यहाँ पे कुछ अपना होता तो कितना मजा आता. So it was like that.
We have a phrase for that. पहरखंड बन है ये कत.
Exactly. Like we get fascinated जब हम देखते हैं पहाड़ों पे ऊपर घर. So we are like, ये कैसे रह रहे होंगे, कितना मजा आता होगा. So yeah, it was like that only. So some years back we started the hunt. तो हमने कहा कि देखते हैं कुछ मिल जाए. And luckily my husband got to know about आप उसको कह सकते हैं कि एक sort of abandoned वो था, एक छोटा सा single story house था. So he got to know about that. So then he was like कि नहीं मुझे यही लेना है. We got many options, plots and all, जैसे होता है commercial, but he was like नहीं यही लेंगे. So initially मुझे भी मतलब when I went and I had a look, I was a bit reluctant. I was like कि ये कैसे. So he said no, I want this structure only. And eventually we bought it. अच्छा ले लिया. हाँ हमने ले लिया, खरीद लिया उनसे. Then सोनमर्ग में. हाँ सोनमर्ग में. It's like 12 kilometers before सोनमर्ग on the main highway. Okay. जो पुरानी हुआ करती थी सोनमर्ग की रोड, because टनल के बाद तो फिर नई वो बन गई. It's on the old road. तो he was like मुझे लेना है and ये वो तो हो गया सारा उसका. And then we started the work on it. तो हमने it was all my done by my husband actually. विजन उन्हीं का था. I would not say मेरा था because मैं नहीं imagine कर पा रही थी. So he was like मैं कर लूँगा. And it's all a DIY project. कोई architect नहीं है उसमें, किसी को नहीं बुलाया गया. Whatever we did with that
you
structure,
did it on your own.
Yeah. My husband did it on his own. And then हाँ जब फिर इंटीरियर वगैरह का टाइम आया, I did that. So फिर ये हुआ कि within 4-5 months वो स्ट्रक्चर वगैरह हमने रिन्यू किया, तोड़ा नहीं बिल्कुल, और उसी में जितना थोड़ा बहुत DIY कर सकते थे उसी को रिन्यू किया हमने. So we wanted to stay close to the nature. तो हमने ज़्यादा उसके साथ छेड़छाड़ नहीं की. तो फिर उसके बाद ये हुआ कि then he said that because you are working full time and आप स्कूल वगैरह में बिजी रहते हो ये वो, so I want you to work on this now. So these are my plans. So started as your venture. So I have created this for you and you started. Initially I was वो ना थोड़ा सा skeptical थी मैं कैसे होगा क्या होगा ये वो, but he helped me a lot. He did all the things, registrations, tourism, everything, even the name and everything. It was done by him only. So I was just a silent partner rather. So I said okay. Then once we registered it on Airbnb तो हमारा बहुत जल्दी काम आना शुरू हो गया. So you won't believe हमने उसका कोई फोटोशूट कुछ नहीं कराया है. It is like whatever I have went there and I have clicked pictures. जो भी pictures पूरे जहाँ पर भी हैं social media and everywhere, they are all clicked by us. Yeah, me, the caretaker. My husband doesn't have that much time, so me and the caretaker, we are the ones who are मतलब he sends me the pictures and I post them. So it's like that. कोई उसमें वो नहीं है editing वगैरह, nothing. And people are loving it. So in fact जो हमारे clients आते हैं फिर once they check in and they say this is more beautiful than what we see in the pictures.
अच्छा.
आपकी pictures से justify ही नहीं कर पाती हैं. माशाल्लाह it's going good now.
It's going well.
So but yeah, because teaching is my passion, so I didn't leave the job. I am
एक साथ
doing it
करती हैं.
हाँ, together.
That's
Simultaneously I'm handling both the things now.
That's lovely. That's great. So I want to know, because you got into hospitality.
Yeah.
It's about 3 years ago. ठीक है, 3 साल पहले की बात है.
Exactly.
तो हम जहाँ रहते हैं
Yeah.
वहाँ बहुत unpredictability है.
Exactly.
You never know what
Yeah,
happens
yeah.
next, what happens tomorrow.
True.
Right? And पहली चीज जो hit होती है, that is our tourism.
Tourism sector.
जम्मू और कश्मीर का जो tourism है, that is 7% of the GDSP, right?
GDS.
So I want to know, because आपने 3 साल पहले शुरू किया
जी, जी,
और इन 3
बिल्कुल.
सालों में भी हमने बहुत कुछ देखा.
जी बिल्कुल.
Were you hit
Yes. Last year. Last year सब हुए. I won't say मैं मतलब बोलूँगी मेरा बहुत नुकसान हुआ, सबका हुआ. It was terrible. So the day all that happened, we had bookings lined up for next 2 months.
अच्छा.
We were sold out. Completely sold out. And then when this happened, I was at my home and my husband was somewhere else for his posting and all where he used to live. So like we both are the co-hosts on the apps जहाँ पे भी हमने register किया है. So the message started to pop on our screens, like whatever be the name, like Aman or something cancelled his reservation, then Umaima cancelled his reservation, Sabahat cancelled his reservation, and in a line all the reservations got cancelled within a span of like 48 hours, like 2 months.
Oh God.
So it was a terrible feeling, very terrible. Not because of the bookings, cancellation of the bookings. What happened was generally something that was heart-wrenching for every Kashmiri.
Yes.
Because it has never...
Especially people who are dependent on hospitality and tourism.
Yeah, and also because the ones who put heart into all this, who love hospitality and all, Kashmiris are generally very warm and affectionate. So next day what I did, I was not able to talk to my husband. We didn't speak on the phone. He was traumatized, so was I. So I picked up my kids and I went to the place, to my homestay, and stayed there for the whole day. And just to overcome this thing, I stayed there for the whole day, thinking what had happened. So I came back. I told my husband that I saw many of the tourist vehicles. They are still going towards Sonmarg. It's not that bad, and I think it will eventually be fine. So he tried to make me understand that it will take a while now. It's not going to be like this. So I couldn't stay home. The schools were also closed. So I took my kids again and I went to Gulmarg for 3 days and stayed there. And recorded videos.
Brave of you to do so.
I swear, I did that. I recorded videos and posted from my cottage handle, Instagram handle. So I kept spreading the positivity, though I don't have...
So you have an online portal as well?
Yeah.
Okay, where you keep the customers updated.
So for that very, like for 13-14 days, I kept posting every positive story that was being shared by any person, any influencer, any homestay owner. I kept sharing all those things. So for that, those 15-20 days, my dashboard was like crossing more than 90K visits. Because people were watching. And then I got inspiration from the from my previous guests who used to send me texts. Are you okay? Is everything okay there? How are you? How is family? I hope it's not that bad. Once this is over, we'll come. We loved your property. We loved the people. And there were a lot of clients who were really supporting. All that could they do was just texting me.
Yeah.
So I
that's good
felt
to hear.
that it's not that worse.
Mhm.
People are good,
Mhm.
and it's just that you have to be positive. If you do your job, obviously there are people who will reciprocate.
Mhm.
So
That's
this
true.
is how it went.
मोहब्बत वही जो दिल से हो, इबादत वही जो दिल से हो, दुआ वही जो दिल से निकल आए, बात वही जो दिल से कही जाए, दोस्त वही पक्का जो दिल से साथ निभाए, रिश्ता वही बेजोड़ जो दिल से जोड़ा जाए। दिल से ही तो होते हैं इरादे चट्टान से, दिल से ही तो बनते हैं घर खाली मकान से। दिल से बनी हर चीज पुश्तों तक चलती है, इसलिए खैबर सीमेंट का जर्रा जर्रा दिल से बना है, ताकि आप जो कुछ भी बनाएं दिल से बनाएं। खैबर सीमेंट, दिल से बनाओ।
I feel everybody was hit. We have like more than 5 lakh people in Kashmir that are dependent on tourism.
Yeah, exactly.
So, moving forward, in regard to tourism only, when you started this
Yeah.
local cottage,
Yeah.
you got your first guests, and then eventually it's 3 years now,
Yeah,
right?
it's 3 years.
आज की अगर हम बात करें तो अभी कैसा जा रहा है? How many like bookings do you get on daily basis?
Alhamdulillah, because you must be already aware of the fact that अभी पिछले कुछ महीनों से it's a good season.
Yeah.
Allah has been
We have
very
a good
kind.
rush.
Yeah, Allah has been very kind to us. जो हुआ था उससे लगता नहीं था कि कुछ इस तरह का हो पाएगा, but then for us also it's like non-stop. For last 2 months we were sold out. कहते हैं ना कि जब दिल टूटता है, so it has been for everybody, सबका ही टूटा था. So we were also sold out for like last 2 months we were sold out. दो अब थोड़ा बहुत अभी हुआ है because of यात्रा and all. But then अभी भी on daily basis I get at least 2-3 calls for bookings and all.
Daily basis.
Daily basis.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
And do you have people employed in your local cottage over there? How many?
I have only one person with me, my caretaker, who lives there 24/7.
Okay.
So it's a team of 2 members only. Like me, I do it as a full-time thing, and he does it for a full-time thing.
Okay.
My husband, obviously I need support from him too. There are many things जो मुझे पता नहीं होती हैं, जिनकी guidance के लिए मुझे उनसे पूछना पड़ता है. But mostly me and the caretaker, we handle it. Like I call him, I ask him क्या temperature है, मौसम कैसा है, फोटो भेज दो, I'll post it. And then he's the one who's taking care of the guests and all. This is how is it going. So I'm working on it, inshallah, because जो हमारे client जाके रहते हैं, word of mouth बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है. So they are sending us more clients.
That's lovely.
उनके friends, उनके relatives. So you won't believe, last year मैंने एक family को host किया था, like in maybe August. 2 of her different relatives, 2 families.
Okay.
इस बार वो उनकी रेफरेंस से आए कि लास्ट ईयर आपके पास वो रह के गए थे, उन्होंने कहा कि आप यहाँ जाइए. So I hosted them. उसके बाद जब उनका चेकआउट हुआ तो उन्होंने like maybe within a time span of 10 days मुझे कॉल आया कि आपके पास वो और वो रह के गए थे, उन्होंने हमें कहा कि आपके पास जाएं. So I hosted them. हाँ. So this is how it is going, because the thing is कि हम कश्मीरीज generally बहुत warm होते हैं, बहुत loving होते हैं. So now if you are putting all your heart into something, so
हम तो मेहमान नवाजी के लिए.
हाँ, exactly. So this is, I just get hyper. कोई बुकिंग हो जाती है, I'll be after them. आपका अच्छा, आपकी गाड़ी बुक हो दो. I don't have, because मैं बस अपना कॉटेज हैंडल करती हूँ. I don't have any association with any travel agency. किसी के साथ नहीं. Neither any tour operator
Just
service.
on Airbnb.
Yeah, I'm on Airbnb and I have registered on other platforms too. But mostly जो हमारा काम आता है वो Airbnb से ही आता है.
So is it just the homestay or do you provide more things over there?
No, it's just a homestay. But then because a lot of people वही जो कहते हैं कि पहाड़ों वाली बात और वो वाइब आनी चाहिए. So my kitchen is fully functional.
Okay.
And fully equipped too.
Okay.
सो वहाँ सब कुछ है, माइक्रोवेव से लेके एग बॉयलर तक, वॉट एवर वी नीड इन अ किचन वहाँ सब है.
And one
बेसिक,
caretaker.
हाँ, बेसिक ग्रोसरीज वगैरह भी है. तो काफी सारे जो जैसे सम पीपल आते हैं जो जिन्होंने 2-2 3-3 दिन के लिए भी बुक किया होम स्टे हमारा, तो वो ले आते हैं सामान एंड देन दे कुक, दे बारबेक्यू.
Wow.
तो वैसे मैनेज हो रहा है हमारा. सो
Okay.
कुक वगैरह हमने नहीं रखा है क्योंकि जो हमारा एयरबीएनबी का ही मोस्टली काम आता है. तो एयरबीएनबी के का जो क्लाइंटेल होता है, दे आर यूजुअली यूज्ड टू बीइंग ऑन देयर ओन.
Independently.
हाँ, सेल्फ चेक इन एंड ऑल. दो वी डोंट हैव सेल्फ चेक इन, वहाँ पे केयरटेकर रहता है, बट उसके बाद से वो अपना सारा खुद ही मैनेज कर लेते हैं. ऑब्वियसली आई एम देयर टू गाइड. I keep texting, I keep calling. Do you need anything? Do you need any help? Are you able to conversate with the caretaker? Is there any issue? So every time the host, the guest leaves, once they check out, तो मोस्टली जो मेरे रिव्यूज आते हैं एयरबीएनबी के, दे आर लाइक द होस्ट इज सुपर काइंड, सुपर वार्म एंड वेरी हॉस्पिटेबल एंड ऑल. सो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज अ वेरी, हाँ, वेरी 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 पॉजिटिव reinforcement. So this is what is keeping me going. Yeah.
So as a mother, as a teacher, and as a businesswoman, how do you manage all of this at the same time?
Sometimes it becomes very hectic. It gets tough because after all we are also humans.
Yes.
इतनी एनर्जी और इतना स्टैमिना तो नहीं रहता है at times.
हर वक्त तो नहीं,
हर वक्त नहीं रह पाता है. But then I try my best, I give my best. मेरे बच्चे अब माशाल्लाह दे आर अ बिट इंडिपेंडेंट. उतने इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं है, बट देन थोड़ा बहुत उनको सिखाया है हाउ टू बी ऑन योर ओन. थोड़ा बहुत वो मैनेज कर लेते हैं बिकॉज नाउ आई हैव स्विच टू अ डिफरेंट स्कूल एंड दे गो टू द स्कूल वेयर आई वाज वर्किंग अर्लियर. सो मैं पहले निकलती हूँ, वो मेरे बाद निकलते हैं, तो फैमिली सपोर्ट भी है. तो समहाउ आई एम पुलिंग इट अप. सो मैनेज हो रहा है. और होम स्टे का वही है दैट मोस्टली आई डू इट ऑन फोन ओनली. मुझे बस फोन पे ही सारा करना होता है, मैनेज, कम्युनिकेट एंड ऑल एंड फैसिलिटेट ऑल दैट थिंग. सो आई कीप द caretaker in the loop, and this is how I manage it.
But have you identified some shortcomings or some challenges or problems overall while dealing with this sector?
I'll tell my own experience क्योंकि सबका अपना अपना experience होता है. मेरे लिए this is the best thing. अगर मुझे कोई बोलेगा that I have this much money, what should I do? How should I invest? I'll just say start a homestay, start an Airbnb. Yeah, it's super easy. Because the only thing you have to do is to be kind and be honest.
Yes.
जितना
And
ज़्यादा,
be responsible.
हाँ, be responsible, be caring towards any person who is approaching you. That's all one needs. So जितना आप यहाँ से honest रहोगे, उतना ज़्यादा आपको अच्छा response आएगा.
It's a give and take.
It's a give and take.
The more you give, the more you have.
Me and my husband, हम इसी policy से वो चला रहे हैं. Because we are being honest. मैं, if anybody tells me, अच्छा ma'am, we are booking your homestay, do you have a cook there? I don't say yes I have. या मैं ये नहीं बोलती कि हाँ जी मुझे कुकिंग चाहिए तो हाँ केयरटेकर है वो कर लेगा. I don't burden my caretaker. मैंने उनको बता दिया होता है साफ साफ that this is what he is capable of doing. Rest you have to manage on your own. And I am there. कोई भी issue रहेगा, I am just a text away. I'm just a call away. So this is how is it going, and alhamdulillah, ऐसा like for now ऐसा कोई single review नहीं होगा जिसमें किसी ने ये बोला कि we faced any difficulty, we faced any trouble. जो इन्होंने promise किया था वैसा कुछ नहीं था वहाँ. We saw a different thing. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ आज तक मेरे हिसाब से. I had a good experience, and because this is something which is inherited in all of us being Kashmiris. Hospitality is something which is inherited. So मुझे लगता है उसी वजह से अल्लाह ताला ने हम लोगों पे वो फजल रखा है, अपना करम रखा है कि लोग आ रहे हैं from all over the world.
So what are the plans for the local cottage ahead? Are you planning something?
Right now we want to keep it like it is,
हाँ,
because
अभी सही जाना है तो वैसे ही चलना
हाँ, हम नहीं चाहते हैं कि हम उसमें कोई आर्टिफिशियल वैसी वाली क्रिएट करें. सो जो लोग आते भी हैं, वी हैव होस्ट दिस ईयर ऑल्सो, लास्ट ईयर ऑल्सो वी होस्ट मेनी इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट्स टू.
है. अच्छा.
So I would like to share one incident. So this year we hosted a family. He was a pilot. So वो आया. He was very skeptical. He
अच्छा.
booked us
अच्छा अच्छा.
through Airbnb only. He booked us and all. Once he checked in, so the caretaker called me. So he was like, दीदी ये ऐसे दीवारों पे हाथ लगा रहा है. It was like March or something. ये दीवारों पे हाथ लगा रहा है कि गर्मी आ रही है कि नहीं. I called him. I said, sir, is there any issue? He was like, I am checking the central heating system. So I said, we don't have. So he said, so what is the arrangement for heating? So I had to make him understand that हमारे यहाँ we have contemporary wooden bukharis that will keep you warm throughout the night, throughout the day. Don't worry about that. Just experience it. And trust me, oh mama, once he left, he was all praises for that system. He was like, now I understand why haven't you put the ACs and all. So this is the best experience I ever had. And then he mentioned it as a review on Google as well as Airbnb.
That's great actually.
Yeah. So this is how it is going, and we don't want any changes in that.
Very nice. Well, it was a lovely conversation.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much for coming. But before we conclude this episode, let's move to our rapid fire round. चाय या कहवा?
चाय.
चाय. कौन सी?
अदरक वाली.
लिप्टन.
लिप्टन अदरक वाली.
Yeah, same here. Okay. Sunrise or sunset?
Sunset.
Sunset. Same here. Mountains or lakes?
Mountains.
One Kashmiri dish every guest should try, every tourist should try actually.
I think the most outstanding taste जिसमें होता है वो रिश्ता होता है.
Rista.
हाँ.
But what about the ones that won't go for non-veg?
I think saag and nadru yakhni.
Nadru yakhni. Yeah,
Nadru yakhni.
that is true, huh?
Yeah.
And describe your homestay in 3 words.
Peace, me time, a time to introspect about life.
Okay, that's lovely actually. She means business because
She is smart.
she's smart. Are you smart? Well, I can
So
see
I
that. Well, I can see that very well. So, Sabahat ji, it was a lovely conversation with you. We had a good chat, and all the best with your local cottage.
Thank you. Looking forward to have you with me.
Yes, I will come for
Yeah.
sure.
Sure,
और
anytime.
मैं हफ्ते भर नहीं निकलूंगी वहां से फिर.
Sure. हाँ, जो मैंने आपको बोला उस हिसाब से तो आप एक हफ्ता नहीं निकलोगे. Anytime. I have been hosting friends too. Like बहुत सारी girls का group. They booked me and I hosted them.
You have a count? How many people have you hosted up to now?
About like 300.
About 300 in 3 years.
Yeah.
About 300.
Yeah. क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर तो काफी हिट हो गया. लास्ट ईयर भी हमारा अच्छा था. लास्ट ईयर काफी फर्क पड़ा. दो आई गॉट माई बुकिंग्स, लोकल बुकिंग्स एंड ऑल, एंड कुछ बाहर से भी आए. बट देन लास्ट ईयर बहुत इम्पैक्ट पड़ा.
That's lovely. We wish you all the best ahead. Thank you once again
Thank
for
you so
coming.
much for having me.
So Nazreen, ये थी हमारी Sabahat ji from Sonmarg's, the local cottage. We had a lovely conversation and we got to know how little ideas and little thoughts and dreams can make a big difference. And they said that they work on one policy, that is give and take. जितना आप करोगे उतना ही मिलेगा भी. बाकी चेक इन सिर्फ गेस्ट्स का ही नहीं होता है, कभी कभी ख्वाबों का भी होता है. बाकी आज के लिए इतना ही. We are looking out for more women in business out there. Stay tuned, stay updated and keep watching Kashmir Life. Ta-da!